Hey, what's up buddy, welcome back to the next new video guys. In this video we are going to discuss about tips and tricks how to remember these index properties. The guys, this index properties, how to remember. The guys, in this video I'm going to share these 3 tips and tricks. So first one of this plasticity index and notification is IP, and second one of the consistency index and notification is IC, and the other name is also relative consistency, and third one of the liquidity index and other name is water plasticity ratio, and the notification is IL. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss about these 3 index properties, and I hope guys you will never forget when you watch this video. In this video we are going to share lots of tips and tricks forever. We never forget after watch this video completely. So guys, before starting the video, if you don't have subscribed our channel, then don't forget to subscribe this first, and if you like this video then please share with your friend. So guys, first I'm going to start plasticity index IP, how to write this formula and how to remember this formula. Okay guys, so before doing this I'm going to make drawing for the relationship between the water content and volume. So for that I'm going to take y-axis, this one, and next one of them I'm going to take x-axis. Okay, in this axis I'm going to draw the relationship between the volume and water content. Guys, have you seen this graph or not? Guys, comment me one comment, please, one comment. Have you done this graph or not? This is the graph between the water content and volume. So if you have done this, then please comment me one comment, and let's further. So guys, at the x-axis here the water content, at the y-axis here the volume. Okay, so and here this is the solid stage, this is the semi-solid stage, and this is the plastic stage, and this is the liquid stage. And here you know that here the liquid limit, here the liquid limit, here the shrinkage limit, here the plastic limit. So guys, I hope you know and you aware about that. Okay guys, I'm not going to discuss this graph because you already know about that, how to draw. Okay, and you already comment to me. So guys, direct I'm going to write the formula for the IP. This is the nothing but plasticity index. So how can I write? Plasticity index means exist, matlab so, I mean so what, plastic behavior. So okay, so this is what, this is the liquid limit between the plastic limit. Just assume our soil is in liquid state. What it mean? Water content is more compared to the plastic stage, am I right? So water content more, so for the plastic stage water content less compared to the liquid stage, so it's liquid to the plastic. So the formula you write WL minus WP. So guys, this is the formula for the this is the formula for the plasticity index. So I hope guys you have no any problem to write this formula directly. You can write the plasticity formula, am I right? Okay, so guys, next 2 properties left, consistency index, liquidity index. And guys, both of we are going to discuss at a time by using the one of the graph. So I'm going to draw one of the graph. Just I'm taking one of the graph. So just let me complete the graph, and after that I will show you. Okay guys, so let me complete the graph. So guys, I have created this graph for the rough idea. Not I'm going to discuss this professional, so just I'm going to show you. Okay, so I'm going to naming here. I'm going to take here WL liquid limit, here WP, and here the difference between the WL minus WP, which we already have discussed, WP plasticity index. And guys, one of these, you know, natural water content. What is it guys? Between the plastic and liquid limit we always shown what, natural water content. Guys, you know na, natural water content not in the plastic stage, not in the liquid stage. So I'm going to write over here natural water content here. So guys, from this chart I'm going to discuss this consistency index and liquidity index. Consistency index, IC. So first I'm going to discuss IC. IC is what? Consistency index. This is the relative consistency. Consistency means what? Consistency means what? This is nothing but this is the water content. Changing the water content. Am I right? So what changing the water content? Liquid limit to natural water content. The WL minus W natural water content batta by divided by IP. This is the plasticity index. So guys, this one of the formula IC. Guys, I hope you know WL minus natural water content divided by this IP. Am I right? Next formula guys, liquidity index IL. So I'm going to write the formula for the liquidity index IL. IL is nothing but natural water content to what? Plasticity index. Natural water content to plasticity index. So guys, here you can write natural water content W and minus WP butta IP. So guys, you can write over here like this. Guys, tell me, have you any problem guys to write here? Guys, this one of the trick, this one of the formula. So guys, tell me, how is it? If is it good? If you like this session, then please guys don't forget to subscribe our channel. Once again, I'm repeating this process. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video guys, don't forget to share with your friends to learn these types of tricks. So guys, I hope you never will be forget about this. Thank you so much guys.